Hello, YouTube. Thanks for joining me here back at Scott's Cars. Today, we're going to go through the 70 Barn Find Corvette. I've made a decision. It's going to be used to save some other cars and extend their lives. So what we're going to do today is we're going to finish taking out the body off the frame. I already got the front clip off. It's gone. It's gone to another car. Keep it on the road. A few other parts already gone, but first thing we got to do is lift up the body and get to the frame. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. But once again, just like to thank you for hanging out, come back to see what we're doing with some of these cars. Really appreciate it if you guys give me a like. Definitely subscribe. We got some cool stuff going on here in the near future. We'll see some exciting stuff. This is just some of the stuff we need to get out of the way. So I guess what we're gonna do first, get it all rigged up, gonna throw some straps on it, see about lifting it up and find a place to put it. Kind of crazy how you do stuff like this, but when you're by yourself and gotta get it done, you gotta get it done. So let's get at it. I'm gonna throw some straps. We'll kind of fast forward through a little of the monotonous stuff here, but stick around. You probably like to see what ends up happening and see if we can do this successfully all by myself and see if we can make the best of it. So we'll just let you go through and check it out, and I'll be back here shortly to give you a little update on what's going on and how it worked out. It's actually come along pretty good, getting it up in there, but nothing ever goes as it's planned, so I'm gonna make a couple little adjustments here quick. Try to get everything positioned right, don't want to do any damage, try to keep as much of it in good shape as we can, because it'll all get used up. Nothing goes to waste around here. We got good stuff and we don't want to lose it. Just is what it is. You got to make the best of it, right? A little bit of minor adjustment here, but shouldn't be too bad. We'll figure it out. Sometimes it's great to have a helping hand, but if you think about it, you really don't need it if you just get at it and do it. So don't let things hold you back. If you got a job, get out and do it. Make it happen. That's what it's all about. Well, looks like we're about free. Let's see if we can get this thing up without causing any kind of catastrophes or loss of life or anything along those lines. Good opportunity to check out what's underneath the body here. You see, definitely a cool setup. I guess at the end of the video here, once we get the car tub where we're going to put it, I'll probably come back and we'll give a little quick look around of the frame just to see what's going on. Well, it's definitely up in the air. Let's get it out of here and stick it in the box. Just something about this that, I don't know, not sure if it's going to work, but you got to try it. You got to put it somewhere. So we got the pallet set up. We're going to try to get it balanced out good. Go from there. Sure, some of you guys probably looking at this thinking I'm nuts. Well, I'm not going to say I'm not, but when you got to do it, you got to do it, and it's got to go somewhere. So let's make it a easy fit. Get it lined up. Not really happy how it's going in. I think I'm going to get out, adjust the pallets out a little bit to make it secure. Don't want to do any damage when we set it down, so yeah, probably right somewhere right about there is probably good. Yep, that'll do it. All right, let's drop her down and hope it all works out. At this point, what really could go wrong, right? I mean, it looks like it's going to work. Safe, sound. Yeah, it's resting. No tension on the straps. Better check that though. Let's see. Yep, that one's loose. The other one's loose. All right, let's get out of the way. And yep, job well done. Holy shit. Oh, wow. That ain't cool. Well, hey, you guys, like, subscribe. Definitely subscribe. Let's keep doing this. We're going to see what happens, but we'll be right back. Well, got the tub off. Here's what we got left. Modified frame, coilovers. Rear end's out of a C2 Corvette. It's been converted to disc brakes. Let's see what we got for date code here. K250. K250, November 25th, 60, so early 61 car. Nice. All this is newly installed, never had weight on it. A lot of bars. We got tubular front control arms made by Global West, all brand new. Line lock. Should be an original 70 steering. Off the big block car. Yeah. Well, so far, looks like the barn's got us. Barn 1. Barn find 0. We gotta look and see what we got inside. Gotta love it.